Hi everyone, welcome to Beyond One Way. Today I want to show you how to make crispy kale rice patties. This recipe is inspired by my love for a Korean rice dish called stone bowl bibimbap. Blanch 4 cups of chopped kale for 1 minute. Immediately put the blanched kale in ice bath for 30 seconds. This will stop the kale from cooking and preserve its green color. Squeeze out the water from the kale. Chop the kale into small pieces. The smaller the better. 2 cups cooked sushi rice. It is important to make sure your rice is hot. The heat will help the rice stick together. Now flavor the rice with rice vinegar, freshly grated ginger, and minced garlic. Here is 1 cup shredded chicken. I used canned chicken meat. You can use whatever cooked meat you have. Add salt, kale, sesame seeds, and sriracha sauce. Now let's make rice balls. I find that having a bowl of water next to me to wet my hands before touching the rice is the trick to avoid the rice sticking to my hands. Divide the rice into 5 portions, or just eyeball it like what I'm doing here. Make sure you press the rice tightly when making a rice ball. The rice will fall apart if the ball is not firm. Look at how cute this is. You can actually eat it as is. But we are making patties today, so gently press and flatten the ball into a patty. Pan fry the rice patties with some sesame oil on medium-high heat. I know it's hard to resist, but don't flip them until their bottoms are firm. And this takes about 2 minutes on each side. Remember, these rice patties are already cooked. We're just making them crispy both sides on the stove. See how golden brown and beautiful this rice patty is? Can you hear the crispiness? Almost like eating a stone bowl bibimbap. Please subscribe to my channel if you like this video. And if you like kale, check out my other kale recipe videos. Happy eating and see you next time.